There was a man, his name was Jesus. He was on the cross. I couldn't believe my eyes for all he's done for us. Why did you give up your life for all of us to live? They pinned his hand to the cross and pinned his feet to the cross. Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to go? Oh Lord, tell me why you had to go. I couldn't believe my eyes when you were on the cross. A tear dropped down my eye, and I couldn't believe that you sacrificed your life for us.
So good, so good.